So hello everyone, and now we're gonna solve the problem number 8 from projecteuler.net. The title of the problem is largest product in a series, and it reads like this. The 4 adjacent digits in the 10,000 digit number that have the greatest product are 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 5,832. And this is like a long sequence of numbers here. Find the 13 adjacent digits in the 1000 digit number that have the greatest product, and what is the value of this product. So let's try to find here the number just to confirm, right? Let's look for the number that they claim that exists here. It's 9989. Yes, it does exist. It exists here, and this is supposed to be the biggest 4 numbers that you can. It makes sense. It's all like 9, 9, and 8, and 9. Yeah, I see no other way to make this solution if not iterate, spacing 13 numbers and then multiply them and check the results. So go step by step in chunks of 13 digits along this 1000 digit number and multiply the 13 digits and to see which one is the largest. So let's go for that. So I'm gonna copy this long 1000 digit number here, right? And let's create here the number, let's close problem number 7, we don't need it. Let's create the problem number 8 here. Problem 8, right? So let's add the big number here. I'm gonna add it as a string, okay? Because to add this as a big number is going to be a little bit complicated, right? And then we're going to go through the digits, right? So I'm going to go through it by the position, not by the digits itself. So I'm going to iterate this number like this in the range of the length of this number minus 13, which is the size that we're looking for. I would like to get the chunk of the numbers and then calculate the product. There is a mathematical function to do that. We can just import math, and we can just do math.prod, right? And then we can just do the digits for each digit in the number from the position I until the position plus 13, right? Since it's a string, I have to convert it into a number, into an integer in order to make this product. And then we have the product. And with this product, we just verify if it's the largest that we have. So just initialize a variable here called largest product. It's 0 at first. And if the product is bigger than largest product is equal to product, right? That should do the trick. That should be able to iterate into chunks of 13 digits, adjacent digits, like a sliding window over this 1000 digit number, and calculate the product within this sliding window. And we just store the biggest one. Let's just print this as the result of our sum here. Just one thing that since this is a string and they are in different lines, there might be a line break here that we may need to get rid of. So let's just, for precaution, let's just replace any line break that may exist here by nothing. So we just had the digits, right? So let's run this. Python problem 8. Let's go for it. And well, this is such a big number. Is this correct? Yes, it's not correct, because here I'm doing int of I. I is this variable, not this. So this is not right. Should be this one, right? So let's try it again. Okay, this seems better, because I don't think 13 digits, if you multiply, is going to be this big. Okay, this seems all right. So let's try it to see if this is the correct solution. Let's paste it here to see if this is the right answer. Oh, it's right. So congratulations, the answer is correct. Yes, it is correct. It's actually a fairly simple problem. It's not so difficult. It's just a normal string iteration problem that it's pretty standard in scripts and algorithms. Okay then, thank you so much for watching. This is so simple for today. And if you liked it, please like the video, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and we talk later. Bye.